Trying to find this hidden sauna. Like middle of nowhere. Oh wow. We've all just done a cold plunge. Oh my god. Here we go. Tell my 6 subscribers what we're doing today.
You got 6?
I've got 6!
You got double me, mate! You got double me, I got 3! Shut me up, like! Shut me up! That's good going!
Yeah, so
Subscribe to Yoga with Kirsty!
yeah, so if anyone likes yoga, make sure you follow at
Yoga with Kirsty!
Yoga with Kirsty. And I'll put that in the description for y'all.
Oh yeah, man!
Wait, what are we looking for today, Kirsty?
Oh, we're looking for a
Mamquam waterfalls.
Yeah,
yeah,
beautiful,
and we're
mate.
potentially going to do a cold dip as well, so
Ooh, la la!
stay tuned.
Oh, and a sauna!
And maybe a secret sauna. Ooh. Wow, so pretty.
Hello?
Woo! So out of all of us, who do you think isn't going to be able to do the cold dip?
Gareth.
Do you reckon it'll be
Hill.
Gareth?
Huh?
Do you reckon it'll be Gareth? Yeah.
Nah, he's just a little bit of a
I'm gonna have to bleep that out.
Oh, you can't swear?
I don't know. Maybe.
He's just a bit of a puss.
You're deciding whether you're going to start a YouTube channel.
Woo!
Huh?
That is blue. That looks stunning. Oh, look.
So pretty.
So pretty. I just can't believe my own eyeballs. It's a bit slippy. So we've just saw the falls from the viewpoint, and now we're going to try find somewhere where we can actually get in for a cold dip. So stay tuned. We'll see who actually gets in. That's it. Take responsibility.
You guys want to...
Yeah, my 6 subscribers won't be happy if you take us to the wrong place, Sam. Yeah?
We should do a one in the wild.
Oh, yoga sessions in the
Yeah.
wild. I'm keen.
Yeah. I'm trying to think, yeah, some good spots.
Trying to find this hidden sauna. Where are they? Say hi! Hey! This looks sketchy.
Is this the right way?
I have no idea.
It's got to be in it.
It's got to be,
Just don't know if I want to go over or under.
I think
Go
under.
over.
Yeah. Woo! Spider-Man! Parkour!
Not that quick like run back to the car after the cold plunge. That we said.
Yep.
Ninja anyway.
Oh, I'm never going to slip in these vans. Bad boy grip on these. Oh, there's people down there.
Is there?
Yeah. Pokemon, gotta catch 'em all.
Careful.
Your bag's up.
Oh, is it? Oh, shit.
Sorry, I didn't even notice.
Like this. Come. Second.
Is it interesting bit of terrain, eh?
I like when it's scrambly.
Yeah. It's more fun when it's dry scramble though.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Mushrooms! Friends, go to the Regis and shake the dog against it. Wow! We're going through there? Oh. What an adventure! Mind me going underneath this tree. Wow! Wow. This looks incredible.
Oh, I'm stuck.
Yeah?
Oh, is it? Oh,
Okay, I'm excited. He's just said this is cool.
we did it!
We did it! Okay. No way. No way. Crazy. How would you rate that experience?
It's good.
Feel alive! Gotta record this quick because my battery is about to die on here, but yeah, we've all just done a cold plunge in this really cool waterfall, and then we found this man-made sauna, like middle of nowhere, that I can't tell you the location of because it's really low-key and word of mouth only. They want to keep it all protected, but honestly, like if I could show you, you would absolutely be amazed. This place is incredible.